So this video was recorded probably about 3 years ago or two. But I just recovered all the footage. And I haven't posted on YouTube in about 4 years. But like my videos did pretty good, you know what I mean? But I thought I'd just edit this and just drop this video because I'm about to delete that folder that I have all those clips in. And who knows? If this video does good, I might just drop some random shit on here every week. Who knows what happens? But hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, enjoy. Also, before we get into the video, I do not have the Lexus no more. For anybody that doesn't know, I sold it and they already totaled it. So there's that. And yeah, life's a little roller coaster right now. But we'll always figure that shit out for real. Yeah, enjoy this shit. Welcome back. It's been about a year since I've uploaded anything on YouTube. But, you know, recently I've been getting like a lot of questions. What happened to the Lexus? What coilovers did I get? What are the name of the wheels? You know, just a bunch of questions on Instagram, and it just like surprised me, you know, because I don't really check my my requested messages, and I did the other day, and it just hit me like, fuck. People actually fucked with my videos, you know what I mean? And then I went to go check the views, and like almost over 200 views on every video. That shit's fucking crazy. But I'm coming back. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. I have a lot of shit that I could do in my car still. But people think I got rid of my car. That's not the case. I'm in this bitch right now. You know what I mean? But yep. But anyways, today we are going to a car show with the boys. Yeah, we're just gonna go along with the ride today. But I'm gonna go pick up my cousin right now, then head to my homie's pad, and then we're gonna head out from there. Shit's gonna be fucking cool as fuck. I haven't been out in like months. You know what I mean? So this shit's gonna be fun. You know, I got my cameraman out here doing some business, you know what I mean? That shit's clean as fuck though, huh? You think it's bags? I have no idea.
All she wanna do is get naked. Top flow, living life dangerous. Shawty wanna know if I'm famous. All of a sudden, all the bitch start changing. I'm sorry, I forgot your name, so no go. I don't wanna claim it. You for everybody, I'm so shameless. Don Julio on my cup, too faded. Make me wanna talk to every bitch that you came with. Spoken to my eyes, look Asian. Put it up, I don't hear what she said. I swear it look good on paper, but she don't even speak my language. I met two girls in this club tonight. All she wanna do is get naked. Met two girls in this club.
How's it going for you guys?
It's going great.
My feet fucking hurt.
feet hurt. I'm a gamer. I don't leave the fucking house.
Guys, can you take a few steps back?
Okay. All right, on three, we're gonna go at the same time. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's hear it. Do us a little.
Watch out, guys! Caution!
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Hey, where are you going? Hey, I didn't film shit today, but this fool got everything.
Shout out to you. Shout out to
Hey,
you.
I got his Instagram will be in my description.
Yeah, you already know.
So I just finished editing the video. This shit brings back some memories. You know, a lot of us don't really talk as much as we used to. If you got this far, I appreciate you. I love you guys, man. For the people that's been supporting me, you know, I appreciate every pinch of that shit, for real. So I really do want to make more videos like this, or just being with friends and shit, just vlogs, you know, create the memories and make videos. So I don't know, man. If this, like I said, if this video fucking pulls in some, like, a little bit of numbers, like at least like 100 views would be nice. If it does that, I'll figure out what I can do and start posting again. But like, I don't know. Life is lifing right now, and it ain't easy. So until the next video, later.